Hey everyone, happy Friday. So I'm not sure if you have watched the video for reading yet today, but if you have, then this is your last video for today. If you have not, then that will be your last video for today and for the week. But we're going to talk about this worksheet of mental math for this video. But really quick, I'm going to go over your number line riddle assignment. So you're going to fill in the missing numbers on the number line. Then you're going to take the letter above it, and you're going to look for the answer. So for example, this would be 200. This space here is 237 because it's the number that comes after 236. And it has the letter H of it above it. I'm going to look for any number down here that has, or any space that has 237, and I'm going to write the letter H. And you're going to solve the answer to what did the ocean say to the lifeguard? And by solving all of these missing numbers, you will be able to fill in the answer. So for our video, and again, most of you, well, I guess I didn't say again, but most of you probably understand this, but I just want to make sure and give you extra support. So we've already done 10 more and 10 less. We've done 1 more and 1 less. We did that in kindergarten, and 10 more, 10 less, but we also reviewed it again this year. Now we're going to work on doing 100 more and 100 less. So we know that when we do 100 more, our ones and tens are not going to change. So for example, the first problem says 436. We know that when we do 10, then the hundreds will stay the same, the tens will increase, but the ones will stay the same. So it will be 486. Now, if I want to take 110 away, and that would be if I had 476. If I drew it out in place value blocks, it would look like this. One, two, three, four, five, 6. So this was the original number, 476. 10 more was 486 because all I had to do was add another group of 10. If I were to do 10 less, then I'm getting rid of a group of 10. And that's the only thing that changes. So my 400s stays the same. My 6 ones stays the same, but now I need to figure out what number goes in the middle. And that number, if it's one group of 10 less than 76, it's going to be 456. So here, 66, not 56. 466. So I would write 486 here for 10 more and 466 for 10 less. Now, if I want to do 100 more than 476, all I have to do is add another group of hundreds. So it would be 576 because you're going back to the original number. And then if I do 100 less, I'm going to go back to the original number, which was 476, and I'm going to cross off 100, and I'm going to be left with 376. So if I have the number, let's say I have the number 618. If I'm doing 10 more, I'm going to add another group of 10. So that would be 628. If I do 10 less, I'm going to take this group of 10 away, and I'm going to be left with 608. If I'm adding 100 more, these two columns are going to stay the same. And this one is going to change. So it would be 718. Then if I did 100 less, again, these two would stay the same, but this one would be one less, which would be 518. So that is how we are going to complete our assignment for today. If you need any help, please see me at 2 o'clock for my office hours, because today is 2 o'clock to 3:30 for my office hours. All right, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you later. Bye.